na pa rin ang pakiramdam?
Ano na, back to work na ulit eh. Balik practice na. And of course, nakapagbakasyon naman kami ni Selena bago bumalik ng practice. So, feeling refreshed na ulit.
Siyempre yun nga, sabi mo refresh ka. So, coming to the season na part ka ng gold medal team sa Asian Games. Ano yung outlook mo?
Of course, it is all by God's grace. But of course, I'm hoping na yung mga experiences, lessons na nakuha ko sa Asian Games, of course, sana ma-impart or ma-share ko rin sa mga teammates ko, coaches as well. Kasi yun na nga, ako to be honest, playing under Coach Tim was really a blessing for me kasi pagdating pa lang sa practice, like twice a day agad kami. Talagang pagdating ko doon, of course, I think na basics alam ko na, but he had to correct a lot of basics from my part. So, really, really grateful na kahit papaano na under ako. Kasi it's my first time playing under Coach Tim nung sa Asian Games eh.
Siyempre, nga, nag-gold kayo pero yun nga, nangyari kay Brownlee. Was there a thought na baka bawi sa inyo yung gold after all that, yung euphoria, tapos biglang nagkaroon ng kaba?
Of course, lahat kami, I don't know, ako to be honest, I don't know what I felt at the time, pero alam naman namin na Justin is a special player and lahat naman kami, from coaches to players, even the staff, pinagtrabuhan namin lahat. And yes, it was prohibited, but ako, I do believe na talagang the one that Justin took is probably, it's not an enhancing, so, lang, it just so happens na, of course, I don't know what the sanctions will be, pero kami alam namin na talagang pinagtrabaho namin yung gold medal.
Alam mo, before the Asian Games nag-usap tayo, sabi mo parang nagulat ka sa call-up mo kasi you feel like mayroon pang mga guards na mas magaling sa'yo. Pero I think you've proven na you're still one of the top guys with your performance sa Asian Games, lalo na ng China game na there was a crucial basket that you made. Ano masabi mo dun sa impact na ginawa mo sa Asian Games? Despite of your sentiments about it.
Mm-hmm. So I've said, talagang I was there for a reason eh. God sent me there for a reason eh. But ako, I still believe yung sa sinabi ko na there are a lot of better guards than me sa PBA right now eh. And it just so happens talagang all by God's grace. And yun na nga, talagang mindset ko siguro I guess nung against China was of course, tamba kami noon first half, I guess. Umabot ng 20 points yun lamang. Just have to, sabi ko, in case bunutin ako ni Coach Tim, talagang I'll just have to be ready. And of course, at the same time, grateful ako kay Coach LA at kay Coach Richard kasi narinig ko sa interview ni Coach Tim na silang dalawa yung nagpupush daw na parang gamitin ako at that time eh.
Tapos pwede nung awarding ceremonies kasi nakita yung reaction mo when you got the gold. Parang tinitingnan-tingnan mo yung gold tapos parang tumitingin ka sa taas. Could you talk about that moment lang when you received that gold medal?
Actually, since the China game, going to the Jordan game, it was really a mix of emotions. Talagang kahit ano yung mga teammates ko, talagang there's so much stories to tell eh. Of course, I can sit here all day, kwento ko lahat ng stories. But of course, yung talking about what I felt at that time, talagang is just thanking the Lord, praising the Lord for that blessing. Kasi, yun na nga, 61 years bago ulit tayo naka-gold sa Asian Games. Eh. Just really, really sense of gratefulness lang para sa Panginoon. Yun lang talaga. Mm-hmm.
Kevin, you can talk to the numbers of this election mga rookies.
Yeah, actually, I started practicing for a week now with NLEX and si Richie, Roger, tsaka nakakausap ko lang, tsaka si Enoch Valdez na, of course, given them some tips a bit na, of course, I hope to spend more time with them kasi parang, to be honest, di ko pa sila masyadong kilala outside of basketball. And of course, I hope na makatulong talaga sila sa amin sa this coming season. I think si Enoch yata matagal pa because may NCAA pa. At the same time, si Nermal with MPBL eh. Mm-hmm. And also, syempre, si Richie Roger, I think he's gonna be good naman.
Ayun nga, Kevin, na-mention mo na si Enoch may 1 year of eligibility pa with YCU. Of course, kayong dalawa pares kayo pinanggalingan na NCAA. So what do you expect out of him? Do you expect him to be physical right out of the gates?
Of course, I'm hoping na mabigyan agad siya ng opportunity sa amin with NLEX kasi I'm really happy seeing that kid kasi napakasipag din ng bata na pag kinakausap mo siya, I think he's coachable eh. That's a good thing, one good trait about Enoch eh. So, I really hope na mabigyan siya ng chance sa amin kasi for me, mataas yung upside ng bata eh. Thank you.